Hello guys, welcome to yet another video from Gimbot. Today in this video, I will showcase how you can officially change the Instagram app icon on Android and iOS devices. Instagram has released a new feature to celebrate its 10-year anniversary where it is now allowing users to change the app icon from the previous official Instagram icon. So without wasting any further time, let's see how to do the same. This has been the quick video on how to change Instagram app icon on Android and iOS devices. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.